If you're wondering how can you permanently delete your Cash App account, you're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me and let's jump right into it. First, we need to make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for this method to work properly, and of course have good internet connection, and make sure to get the money out of your account so that you do not lose it once you close the account permanently. Finally, you can go ahead and open the Cash App app and then tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture or icon. From here you should tap on this support button at the bottom, and then from here tap right here on the search and search for close account. Once you do that, from the results tap right here on close your Cash App account, and all you need to do for the last step is to confirm right here in the bottom right corner, and just like that you have deleted your account on Cash App permanently. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.